In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 3DX9 underscore 26 DLL is missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click the option Run as Administrator and then simply type sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be done. And once this is 100% completed, simply type exit in the command prompt window and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to search for the Visual C++. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. You'll find system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option and then click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. And also update your Windows, so click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the necessary files that your machine needs and can help you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.